Yeah. Well, listen. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and danced with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Yeah. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never knew that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final grant, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear our mama would cry for him. I'd pray for her even more than me. I'd pray for her even more than me. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. I know I'm praying for much too much, but can you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Oh, 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 yeah. This is all I ever dream. Yeah. And this is my story.